Passat B6 RCD310 replacement with RCD510 with a bigger screen. It doesn't have a sat nav, but it's a nicer one. It shows with the parking on the screen, and obviously it's a color screen. It's got the 6 CD changer. Some people won't use that, but I used it. And right, if you wanna take the radio off, first of all you gotta remove this trim. I took it off so I can record it with one hand, and I also know that maybe there are more other videos about this, but I figured out just to make one so it can be easier on the channel for people to find. So you got this trim that you have to pull out. Basically comes out, it's got one clip there, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. The ones on the top, these ones, they just go there. Right, so it just comes down like this. Radio, you're gonna have to pull it on one side like that and reach behind to take the plugs out. I already took them out so I can show you how they go in. So they go, I usually put the radio down, and we got one plug in here. This is the main plug with the power, and this is the antenna. If you have DAB, gonna have another plug in there, or sat nav in there, but I don't think if you're gonna have sat nav you're gonna replace it with one without the navigation. So right, plug for the antenna. When you want to remove this one, basically when you want to take it off, it's gonna be like this. So you just have to pull this pin out. You pull it out like that, you see it's out, in, out. It's gonna be out, and you press on it and you lift like this. So as you lift, this one opens, and you pull it and it comes out of here because it holds in this little bit. Next one, the power. This one, as you can see, just in here you have to press this bit like that. You press these two together and then you pull, so it goes like this. See? Now clicks in, and then to remove it you press here and here. So you squeeze it like this, squeeze them two, and then you pull like that. Yeah, so this thing moves, and you push it all the way like that, and it should slide out. Right, now to put it back in on the new one, for me it's gonna be a bit difficult. We're gonna put this one away, and then let's put the new one. Right, so put the radio on the side not to destroy anything. Right, and then let's see how I'm gonna do it with one hand. That's gonna be fun. And yes, so put the radio there, the plug is here. As you can see, it's open. It goes like that. Hop. Slides in, right? Then you push it, click, and that's it. Antenna goes, push this one back in, and antenna goes in there. Some of the radios might require this adapter. This is 2009, so it has this dual antenna like this joined together. Some of them, they might have it separate, but if you need any help, write in the comments and I'll help you out if I can. I usually help. We're all busy working all the time. Right, so it just slides in, as you can see. Nice. You got 4 screws there. You gotta put it back. First we gotta test, make sure the radio works. I already put the code in it. As you can see, it all starts up. I already put the code in, but it will ask you for a security code if you didn't. If you don't have the security code, again, ask me and I'll help you out. Basically, I buy them from eBay, and it costs between £5 to £8. Depends on the Skoda, it's a bit more expensive. around 10-12 pounds for the same kind of radio, but this is a VW Passat, and the process is similar for getting a code. For example, there's one on the side of the radio. I'm gonna show you on the other one. You can see there's a VW. It's actually stamped on it as well. So that's the code on the top, VWZ1 la la la. You're gonna write that in the comment when you purchase it on eBay. And by the way, I'm not selling it, as I said. You can buy it from other people, and you just put the code in, and that's it, in case you don't have it. Sometimes when you get the radio, it's paired with the car, and it will only work on that car until you put the code. So that's how it works. See all these 4 screws? I'm just doing it so you'll be able to see how long it takes. On the Golds, it's a bit different. If it's a Mark 6, it's very easy. Similar design. You take the top frame out and radio goes in. On a Mark 5, it's a bit more work to do, but it's nothing that you can't do with a T20. I'll show you now. Let's open it up. If it decides to come out, it's a T20 or 25, something like that. It should be right. It's basically the same one for everywhere. If you look, all the screws are the same, either T20, T25, 20 or 27. Now this trim goes in like this, and then click, click, click. Make sure clicks. For future, I would put some foam behind this one, not to make any squeaking noises, because that's the common Passat faults when they get older. But otherwise, everything looks like it's working in here. Let's just put the key in. Everything works on the radio. If I put it on the radio, right? Remove the ignition and the radio is off. So everything works as it should. Thank you for watching. Hope you find it useful, and please subscribe. Cheers.